OpenAI is currently running a 12-day live stream, but today, GPT suffered a significant global outage that lasted for an extended period. The company has recognized the problem and is actively working on a solution. GPT has returned to normal use. OpenAI's recent releases? The website will crash from its popularity. Tencent AI channel welcomes all. The O1 Pro, the latest release from the large language model, is considered the strongest AI ever, boasting a 50% enhancement in capabilities, nearly 10-fold speed increase, and a 34% reduction in errors compared to prior versions. The tool is stronger, but users must buy the $200 Pro version for full features, which deters many from subscribing. The anticipated Sora has finally debuted, featuring standard options such as adjusting aspect ratios and resolution, as well as a new function that enables users to merge two video clips into one. The film offers functions to remix, replace, delete, reshape, and extract elements,